welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful chicken curry. Perfect chicken curry for bachelors and for beginners who want to start making chicken curry. Very easy recipe and delicious to eat.
Let's start. I'm going to heat up my wok. Once the wok heats up, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons oil. Let's add my oil and let the oil heat up. Once the oil heats up, add medium-sized onions. So I've added around 2 medium-sized onions to my oil. Once the onion turns brown, it's important that the onion turns brown to make a good curry. So once the onion turns brown, I'm going to add ginger garlic paste. Use about 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. I'm going to cook the ginger garlic paste until the rawness of the ginger garlic paste disappears. You can make out with the smell of the mixture that's in the pan. Once the ginger garlic paste cooks, I'm going to add 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Next, just add about a little bit of water just so that the spice mixture that I'm preparing does not burn to the pan. As you can see now, by adding water and cooking it, see how it's become into a lovely paste. After this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You can add more if you want, if you like it spicy. Lovely vibrant red color. And half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Look at the wonderful red vibrant color. Next, I'm going to use a ready-made chicken masala, a ready-made blend of chicken spice which is available in the stores. So I'm going to add that to my chicken masala paste. I'm using about 3 teaspoons of this, equivalent to around 20 grams. Let's mix that now. To get rid of the powderiness, I'm just going to add another spoonful of water and fry the curry paste until it starts leaving oil from the sides. So this should take around 1 or 2 minutes to fry. Make sure you fry this in low flame so that it does not burn your spice paste. So after 2 minutes, you will see oil is now separated. Okay. Now I'm going to add my chicken. I'm using a whole chicken. That's about 1 kilo. going to add 2 large potatoes, which I've cut them into large pieces. Okay. If you don't like potatoes, you don't need to add them. But by adding potatoes, it gives you a lovely sweet flavor, and all the flavor of the curry also enters the potatoes. When you eat it with rice, the potatoes taste divine. So you must add a little potatoes so that all the flavor of the chicken and the curry enters the potatoes, and you will get a lovely sweet taste when you eat those potatoes. Now for the sauce, I'm going to add water. I'm using about 2 cups of water. If you like the sauce nice and thick, you can add lesser. But I want a nice gravy so I can eat it with my steamed rice. I've added a little more water, slightly thinner consistency. Now I'm going to let this cook on medium flame for about 20 minutes or until the chicken and the potatoes are cooked. So see you then. I'm going to cover this now and let this cook. What I did was I also added some salt as per my taste, and now I've got it to a boil. I'm going to cover this now and let it cook in slow flame.
It's now been like about 15 minutes. Let's have a look at the curry now. Wow, delicious. Let's see if the potatoes are cooked. Yeah, the potato seems to be cooked. So there's the chicken. Look at the lovely gravy. Nice thick gravy. Alright. So here you go. My chicken curry is now cooked. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Especially made for people who are just learning how to make chicken curry and bachelors do not know how to cook. I'm sure this is an easy recipe which everyone will learn how to make this. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe. Also leave a comment, and don't forget to click on the like and share button. Share the recipe with your friends and family, and don't forget also to click on the bell icon so that you get notifications about the next recipe that I will be posting on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Quickly garnish this now with a little bit of coriander leaves. Alright then, thank you so much for watching.